Back with another one. Got the Glock 22 Gen 5 40 Smith& Wesson. Now mine don't look like everybody else's. Some would say it looks like I put crayon on it, but I didn't. It just wear and tear off a little paint job I did. But it's Halloween month, October, so I got the pumpkin, orange and black, Glock 2240. Now this is a basic video on the mag options. This is a Gen 5 mag. Gen 5 mags are way different from your traditional 40 Smith & Wesson mags. Gen 4 and Gen 3 mags are different than the Gen 5. It all come down to this little lip right here on the end. But they work just as fine. I don't got none on no hand right now. I used to, but I don't got none no more. So this is the 15 round mag, standard capacity. 15 round mag, 40 Smith & Wesson. Let me drop the slide 1 second. And then put this in. All right, that's how it looks. 4.5 inch barrel. TRLR sub 7 string light. Okay, this is the 15 round mag. Next up we have, now my video, this is not just gonna be just standard, 22 round mag and 30, 50, whatever. This is gonna be like something like this. This is a 17 round mag for the 40 round. Well, it's not 40 round, 40 cal. That's all I want to take, guys. Sorry about that. 40 cal Glock. That's a +2 base plate. Makes it 17 plus 1, 18 in the gun. How does that look? So now we're looking more of like a 19X style look. Looks really neat. And don't worry about these. I always clown myself about these regular Glock sights. I'm going to get nice sights. Don't worry about those. Yes, this is the 17 rounder. These are some Hornady blacks for the 40 cal. Oh wow, I don't know if you can see that, but they're Hornady blacks. That's gonna be hard putting that in. I'm gonna put that to the side. And next up, like I said, I don't have anything like I do, but I don't just rock out with regular shit. This is a 24 rounder for a Glock 22, Glock 27, It's basically a Glock 22 round mag with the +2 base plate, another +2 base plate. So it makes it 24. And +1 in the head is 25. I'm just different, man. And of course, Hornady blacks. And the second round on this is critical defense. One of these. Yeah, it looks like the rest is the same. Critical defense, one of these. But yes, that's how I do it. Next up, we do have, the traditional Glock 22 rounder, Glock mag. Everyone knows you got the stiff springs. That's how it looks. And yeah, of course, the same thing. One critical, already black and critical defense the rest. Yes, sir. It's a Glock mag. Yeah, everyone knows these. These are everyone's favorites. And next up, we have a 29 rounder. See, people don't see shit like this. My 29 rounder for a Glock 40. And no, this is no, it's like unlabeled. It, like, nothing. I don't know. Yeah, these are hard balls. These are shack heads. Ball heads, shack heads, sack skulls. And the 29 rounder. But yeah. That's what I'm, oh, let me put inside the gun, show you how it looks. 29 rounder. Off the TLR. It's crazy. That pumpkin frame, orange and black, Halloween style. Yes, sir. That's pretty much it on the. But normally, what I keep in there, this boy right here, the Glock 22 rounder with the +2, makes it 24, and one in the head, 25. But yeah, of course, everything is clear. Don't want to scare anyone. It's kind of going to be hard trying to do this. 1 second. Yeah, everything was clear. And that's pretty much it on the mag options. It just, I have a 50 round drum, but it's not in my possession right now. I let someone hold it, you know. They got a Glock 27, you know, and I let them hold it. So, friend of mine. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the mag options. Night sight's coming soon, don't worry. EDC, by the way, if you didn't know. And we're gone.